Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Swalife, which is Southwest Airlines community. So first you have to open a browser and in the top section right here, in the URL section, type Swalife and enter it after you're done. And we need to scroll a bit down and from here we can see the Southwest Airlines community. Click on this option and you'll get into the interface like this, and on the top right corner right here there's a join or login, so simply click on that option as well. And here we could see we are required for our username and password, so simply type down your username and your password as well. And here we could see the small box that says keep me signed in. If you want to keep signed in to the device that you're using to log in to the Southwest community, which is already right. But if you don't want, then click this again. So, and if you have forgotten your username or password, you can see this option that says forgot username or password. Click on this option, then your account, your username and password can be recovered and you can reset the password as well. And after you're done, you can click on the sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to the Swalife account. And if you have not enrolled or registered the account in Swalife, then you have this option for register now as well. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.